we will introduce and show our differential drive wheel family. It's all very large family. Okay, and please show our family. You can see here, and please slowly. This is 100, our classic type, 100 watt, and this is upgrade 100 type, and this one is 400 taps. This one, the biggest one is very huge. Yes, it's 750 watt, and we also have a bigger, like 3.3 kilowatt drive wheel. It's very large. So if you need customized, we also could discuss the detail with you. First, we will introduce. Okay, thank you. This tab is our classic tab. You can see the structure is very compact, and the whole height is very low. It's not more than 200 millimeter. Okay, can see two wheels, and inside two BLDC motor, 100 BLDC motor, and we also could offer 200 watt BLDC motor for you. It depends on your application. You can see here the upper parts can rotate freely. There are installation wheel. It's connected with the cardboard. Okay, and it can rotate freely, and the cardboard will be very stable. We will show you the video. Yes, this type. This is our customer video. We show it's applied in the gearbox factory. It's truck gearbox, very heavy. You can see they used this type 100 watt. Clearly, we suggest maximum load is 300 kilogram, but you can see in the application, in the real application, it's more than 300 kilogram. It's over 500 kilogram. You can see here, it used this type drive wheel, and it works very good. For now, it works more than 3 years till now. The feedback is very good. And if you have any question, please free to contact us. And this type is very cost effective. If you need to build a lurking type, wait for a moment. Lurking type, somebody also call it mouse type or latent type. It can carry the trolley. This type very high, the height is very low, and it's a good choice for you. If you only need the unidirectional HV, so one set is enough. If you need a bi-direction, you need 2 units.